YouTuber, Urban Dog Photog, and yeah, that's me. I am a photojournalist, but I've decided to take it into a different niche market. And so now what I do is I actually photograph clients and their dogs and tell their story. I saw there was a growing market for some really editorialized, editorial style of photography with animals and pets, and it was untapped, and I thought, I think I can give that a go. There's a great saying, it says, do what you love and love what you do, and I could not probably think of a better phrase. I just absolutely adore working with dogs and working with the clients who just adore their dogs. And I think for me, in my own life, I actually define my life in dog years. So there's the Lucky years, there's the Dylan years, and now there's the Jilly years, who's sitting at my feet. And I think for me, I associate an important part of my life and time with that particular dog. And I get really fond memories, and I think that because they're silent and because they're loyal, noble, and true, and they take our secrets with them, that they're the best companions. And I think the fact that they can't speak just drives me as a photographer even more to speak for them and to capture what they're thinking and present it to the client. And when the client sees the images on the screen, I get an overwhelming feeling of gratification when, you know, I see them reach for that Kleenex, or they're feeling really emotional about the session because we did capture who that dog was. I use my journalism skills, my photojournalism skills, to figure out what the owner really appreciates about that dog and what they are going to remember them forever. I like to call them the old souls, because they are so wise, and the things that make me love them is that they could be on their deathbed, but if you bring out a ball and you go outside, they'll run forever for you, and you see that spark come again. And it's just, I think, knowing the timing and knowing when to shoot and when to observe and how to capture that story. So what's that saying? Never work with dogs, never work with kids. Throw it out the window. I had a great session here. Kids and dogs, kids and puppies are fantastic. They feed off of each other. They're uninhibited. They'll do anything for you, and the goofier they are, the better. And I love that. I think it's true emotion, and that's exactly what a photojournalist looks for. I just really like to have fun. I'm trained as a photojournalist. I'm trained to capture what's going on at the moment. So when you put me into a 2-acre yard, I'm going to come back with some fantastic shots of dogs running and enjoying the fresh air. And I really like the moments when I stand back and observe and I see a dog running to their owner, just that jubilation and that excitement. I love it. I went, oh my goodness. You say I love you? No, say I love you. Say I love you. 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 I love you.